Ebushafo mamunyina akwaba eba Ghana Asem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe, then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bushafo yako NSM anyway.
Okay, whether you're watching it, whether you're me, or money why the country broke and you not broke, we day inside. And you're gonna for your casa no. So no matter what we are okay. Yeah, who boko kaka, yet home. One shiny year, ama, papa ni shiny year, na baby a walking on a hot true. And this a young Colania didn't buy from your dinner to brim. Ama, or dancing, yet never to brim. This is the last time we are warning this man. The earlier he stopped this foolishness, the better. On to me can't me say the common sense, no, the critical thinking and not all portrays or war when MPP was in power and suddenly it has vanished. I don't think so. So if the common sense na yira on question free baby or jato ye no on function it and he should start using it, or better still he should keep quiet. Mrs. Yamitue, if there is one person I like the position he has taken, Duncan Williams on Kasa or Bakasa so Bebo Kutiani in general. A better because sometimes people will not be able to assume what you are even thinking. So it would be better for Lawrence to shut up. He shouldn't instigate any tribal and topa. Nagana how Messi a peace ama NDC for my when they won power in 2024 we saw some. And to me, I am no longer in your friend saying underestimating the youth of this country. Indeed, they can start a war. So people like Lawrence Tate, I said you no benefit wa NDC who or my NDC would defeat Rollins and Pens because what to Ghana meet board na Ghana Juma ama and Kagana mebunu benya NDC for mebunu benya and Rollins a Toma when I would see sorry and then conform so no ma bedjem almost pray for a job. Now one more vampire so more pejuma so almost we are begging him. Or shall we not cause one benefit? He should continue siphoning what he can siphon for NDC. Nobody is asking him to talk, but trying to put their friends two tribes. That's what tribes me Larry, instead you have enough money, you can open a radio station and speak only Gan. Larry, instead you can open a radio station and speak only Gan. For the first time in the history of histories, Asante region, MMC is a I have people from another tribe. What was Asante for? Sorry, a demonstration about it. As you sorry, Asante for a tribalistic. A tribe back home, we are very tolerant. I Asante for. Me say DCs, MMCs, a Asante region now. Among your voters, among your northners. What was Asante for? I sorry, a demonstration that they kept quiet. Asante Mampong, yako northners to me sorry. I say one premier Asante ni NDC, NDMC or Mampong. Did you see Asante's protesting? Did you see Asante's making noise about it? Asante's are the most tolerant people God ever created. What to me moyen? Na mopo ya ni start see ya kabu kaya makata see ya yedede. Papa Lawrence Tate buho. Buho. And this uncle one in Bayer form. Buho. This should be the last time you come out and make such a reckless statement. Respect yourself. Papa, buho. Now open. Papa, buho. Now Janita would see him. Buho. And this I may say, that one to him. Because we behavior and the Christo. We behavior no one kasayemu. There is nothing Christ-like about the way you talk. There is nothing Christ-like about your behavior because God is not hypocritical. Nyakupo wanyanya atrum. Nyakupo wanyanya yimu. Ama baby amedi Lawrence Tate ano no. Onsa nkwa no samra. No meka bibi foforo. Ehwo na obeji ne bread food. We menye no. Matunefo. Eti yesese wanti amfutu aye ne mekwa anti ade. Eti the next time obesa de betum biom na anti ade ne. So let's agree to disagree. Say Mahama, he doesn't know what he's doing. He doesn't know the impact of what he is doing.
He has confessed that he cannot
I said, "Bioma kata mani amonso mo Jessica. Mahama ma musika na mo je Mahama ma musika. Ana mo ye nipa fosa. Enti se bi what tete wo ma wurem. Edi wo hia ahwa wo ba. Ese wo ba ne be ko teacher train wo be ko na sin train na be ye adwuma na afi wo me sore metam ne sika me frɛ wo se mama miskanto aduane ni biem na wakoye adwuma afi ekeka kwa afi ne fa ye ntwia ne ka watimi ahwe nyankopɔn hata suri anim aya wontoma mu ankoro so ade akwatera jubilee house akotwa picture nyasa akwakoje sika de ahye wo nkwa wata aso se ekofo nyasa ye nipa bone ama meside bia o se metai kase mi se o man na yetim no ho ama ye practice one policy bi mi na wa mebu etu nya me abu me obia tiri mu aden o man na yetim ya ne kaso Ghana ohu we are lenient towards visitors omo ye wo omo boy ahoho pe na Ghana ni nya Ghana ni emia ni nya Ghana ni ama onye ne hu mprenu sa Ghana ni emia ni nya Ghana ni ama onye ne hu 2 times Abuso for mom bujina se no mon like it. It is so shameful. Ama, it is so shameful. Asem we na ni kwanse wo mutimi kuranya confidence no ema ne beto abonten. Ghana hemfo ebi ehu ani wu mo ho ofere. That shouldn't have happened. Because we your hene na wuti picture we mu bi na se wo kura wo firi mu teacher ni ayentwa ne ka wo ho nurse ni ayentwa ne ka wo kokko akuafo a wo mu twada aduo kokko akuafo wo ho nom na wo makokare wo mu kokko ekeka kwa 6 months ni yentwa wo mu ka wo ho ani wu ama eni kwansa ka wo betena ha beje 300% no ahemfu mi bisa kwasha mi bisa ne se ahemfu no dia bra no mo ba Ghana ama Edia brana sa himfu we omo ye de border input in Ghana
by keeping quiet and condoning whatever nonsense that is going on.
These people helping the economy of Ghana and based on that no as a near to some for salary mu and so civil servant o ma ye adwuma o mo fata o market your Bible and the kura kaze odwuma ye ni bia fata na ketia no na ha ma se wontua and mo di munya atwo mo pese me hu nya mo ne bre ama what dey kwata jubilee house akwaje plan and good nyankopɔ betwie ye nyina aka
se de enwuma tie
ama nyankopɔ betwie ye nyina aka se de enwuma tie Ghana mpanimfo tiri mo odin etia na ye me yasa emeburu na ese nkomo come to the realization say mpanimfo na wo man ni mo no amfa ye ho. We need to take our destiny into our own hands. But it is rather unfortunate, ama. Esa enkwala ne jimi champion for no.
Ekue, mentwa no, wa wo party ni mukra na. Eniama ekosu ye beka kra no se wo kra ye tete osra ni abasa. Nti ne na ye won. It tells you the nature. Wo party ni mu na nka wo se ye tumi nya voice ba ko ende kro ne ye de sorry ti aban no enam keta so hye ne proye na nka ye tumi se kire ye se ka no kra kire wo mo no. What is happening? Wo wankasa na wo kasa wo ekua wo kasa kra ye de wato apaso adwa wo nam se eyi. Oh,
Ama emu oya nso mekonim. Ama emu oya nso mekonim. Because of mine na yetim no ye mpanimfo ne ti ye nipa bone. Na ka muti we se ne do ma ka kire beka bi kire na do mre bi atwam se enka panimu a watwam wo wudu wo fie wo ye fe ne se wo mpani fie mu de wo be owuo enti ka wo no wo ye wo niam se ei Baby, my mentor to me to me near me, and watching a bianco friend and a baby at Rano. I'm a young penny for the Domon, and then Miss Colana and Colania from when Nepawada Bay, and penny for you from where ye Jedra. Ama, and penny for what may be from where Jedra, because one minute in my home. What penny already was it Colania, friend Colana saying? I'm Colana and Nepawada, and penny for the Jedra. And to one mama, what did you obey in the home? What's now a walk? And the mama sort out. This is where we have gotten to, Ama. Because you cannot tell me, say, upon all the calamities, upon a team, and no, and better about this. fa mama was committee suicide well one committee or China party I feel so what you know because was in a what amma anti santi anasa I got a company for more for what Ghana for him for the more and come what's now on Mama Kati or to salary mutrana as a catcher mama as a president. Ya pe, ya ni so. Now so a man ye pesa wubu. No wubu ni ye president a beya. And can kwala no ma ye jumana ye ntia wa moka no. Mesre we ni die mu afetua wa moka. And sasa na naizen kan ahemfu wo moka tena mahama wo. And omudu wo mu beye. Omo pesa minkuminya. Omudu omunya atwom kwatena ho. 300% increment no atu one year the brown rope talitalo omo preso no ma pampa so kufu no mo de abese konkurase
okay we the president mama kro your opposition o catch ro mo say na ahemfu ni nyina nya kaka nti omo nkasa do you remember
ene mahama ba ye no omo kaka omo rena enti omo no ma ye ma ama President Mama ba ye kaka ne po omo kaka na hele ama se omo de re na ntwinam enti omo nkasa Ghana himfu mu bi afun wate mu bi anipa bone mu bi anyato yakopɔ betwia moka ensu ade de mu krom abosom ni mu nkonya ewo ma himfie ewo ma himamu omo nyina betwia moka makoma koso no Sir President Mahama to one when they can't catch it want to make the kid decision man and wama President aka kire ye and the President Mahama me we be am blame because any pano watch them in the yali deda what most why I
turn the yari so turn my yari and
on yes ya to and you kwatu abama no December 2024 na President Mahama turn the yari man on was say mem John the decision bitter said maybe somebody be decision making what the man cry mean to me yet na me again so I take decision dey na emu nwie make decisions akola bicycle so any break say free air ben Mahama na describing the decisions how they kire after say Mahama describing the decision atire am na eche so no the decision bi obetake bi aye reckless na monti Mahama ti mi atrase wouldn't want to take a decision. This will increase a handful or increase more akatri or the mabo by 300%. No most my moon that the bana and no more to do. I was a idea too. I'm not one year teacher worker. I'm not one year nurse worker. I'm not gonna find him for be a force Anna. Let to put poor money and I'm a poor mine and Coswa. What were him for the drama and crumble free young grass here? And to do a drop Kokwa kwa mukai kenti aye mfana nanom monte ye anti man catch mama said mama yes 300% ye catch kokwa kwa and never say kwata chi ma kwahwe omo moto bro omo moto bis wo mo kam ade and anu ye tie na ma mi bi na le disi kasa bi do no o se ni kokwa ama kokwa no wa bi agude mama kokwa na sati hu ne be kola keto kola ni 2 years senachi a wiki bogari akola woni 2 years ama wasi akivo gari re because amemo ni mo yede akola ni tuonu Mrs. Ghana no it is Ghana stay by invention akola keto na wuso wan hwe ya kombeku no enke se bitimi tia se ni di kivo gari akola no be 1 year
ya so
akola keto
and on share because this is the beginning and job over chawa account say give a brother oh
ya mani ya yasala enya bro na sister ya mani ya do enya bro na sister kia dio mama ya mani ya do no mama ya mani ya me say akola keto a said wedding 1 year what me nya experience who kivo gari Mahama mebu kakra yo be ya ko 2 years enkwala nyina asia ye first enkwala nyina asia so ye wiki gari ade no munya ni me ne bresa na me ni abre na yifu ni bia for no ama me ri akra ho
ni ma serious na me
me so upon all the problems are ekoso ama upon all ho kire I want you to be able to Ghana from Quatron to a man. Miss Mumu from Crassia, and I'm passing for to Jubilee House. I think Montuma Kamfa Kotra Jubilee House. No, Panamu, because Monto spray, Kamfa Namudu Montuma. And nobody what's on a Jubilee House. No, Panamu, what park or who have and I'm best in Jubilee House. I'm in Pesses of Quakia for 5 months in here. Yatom Koko Yenchia, Anna, and there wouldn't one Wednesday. Mamma come around for some Thursday, no one I'm in a friend. And yes, I'm a message in this car. Now, what can you go that I am first carrying Maniska? Pianica. Men are not on time frame. One friend must be a mental fried rice. Mental fried rice, maybe I'm a tough fried rice or one year, they're common with Bobo. Miss Mohana men are not from a dear summer. Women's in this car. And Miss in this car because of what carrying you go, Mohammed and Chianica. And to an instant, Miss in this car and to you, but Miss in this car. As my men are not on his men is not the type of Obisa and Obaba for Crasam Miska. She's not that type. Maybe my metias, mamma, neighbor, it's my men alone in the water level. Yeah, any man, or Chayanka see a man, dear man. Also, my grandmother called me, said, Maniska. Because Woniska. No matter na hobby for Kadiko, I can go 5 months, won't ye? Namo di montuma mu kamfa montuma mu tutututu montuma mu adaka mu trunk mu atutu montuma funu mu kenta funu abese atwa kwatena Jubilee House namo kodu na ma say mamu your friend say 300% increment what na dia say ho ade na mo nipa funu sa ama Ghana hemfo ho na me ka say ayi Ghana so fun na say for no kwa mo ya west so for no ali so for ne so mo teta fitireje what the what me about what they are percentage not to actually see a picture. I did Ghana for him, yes, sir.
They say no problem, no ban for what they are him for back on.
If child. If we are all my friends, I
come off when I'm